At Netflix, we used a little bit of a trick, right? Because when you look at Amazon Web Services, there is a prepayment product that is called standard reserved instances, right? And the standard reserved instances, they provide two things. One is a capacity guarantee, and the other one is a billing benefit, right? So we purchased the standard RIs in the production account. That means that the purchases were made at the high watermark of what the production workloads needed, right? So let's say if a workload needed 10,000 VMs, right, we purchased the standard RIs at the high watermark of 10,000, right? However, during the day, the demand of how many VMs were required fluctuates, right? It changes based on the hour of the day, right? Is it morning? Is it noon? Is it afternoon? Is it evening, right? More people are watching Netflix during the evening. So during off-peak, the capacity guarantee is still being provided in the production account. However, the capacity, instead of 10,000, you might only use 8,000 or 5,000 virtual machines, right? So it frees up some of that capacity, in this example, 2,000 or 5,000 virtual machines, right? Now, what you can do is you can use the billing benefit in another account. So in a chart account where we used, that was used for video encoding, right? We were able to reuse the billing benefit of the unused reserved instances while still maintaining the capacity guarantee in the production account. And how does that work? Well, when you look at a video encoding, right, you have a movie or a TV show that is typically provided in a very high definition format. We are not even talking about 8K. Those things are being shot in something like 12K and up, right? And that video format, it is the original recording, is called a mezzanine format. And then from that mezzanine format, all the other video encodings are being made. So for example, if you have a little smartphone, right, or like a flip phone, the resolution that you need is maybe 480 or 240 or something like that, right? So Netflix at any given point in time takes the high resolution video format, and it creates all the different output formats, right, that you can see on your phone, on your tablet, on your smart TV, and so forth, right? At any given time, there's somewhere between 140 and 180 different copies of the same TV show or the same movie in different formats, right? However, that video encoding takes resources, right? It's a compute intensive activity to provide different video encodings, right? And so during off-peak hours, we were able to reuse the billing benefit of the standard RIs that were held in the production account and that were reserving the capacity for the peak need of Netflix, right? But then during off-peak, we were able to use the same billing benefit from those standard RIs for video encoding, right? And save even more on overall total cost of ownership.